Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How-To, and on today's video, I'm going to take a look at some of the new and exciting products from Ugreen, which feature the latest Qi2 charging technology, uprated wattages, and lots of flexibility for charging all of your portable devices, be it an iPhone, an Android, some AirPods, your Apple Watch, basically anything you want. This is some pretty cool stuff, and we've actually got 5 different products, as you can see here at the moment, so we're going to go through them one by one. They're not going to be in any specific order, but I'm going to try and do the chargers first and then the power bank at the end. So if you're interested in a power bank, you might want to skip forward. There will be timestamps in the video, so if you want to fast forward to a specific section, you're more than welcome to do so. And potentially, depending on the viewers, we may actually do some individual videos on these in more depth if you want to know more about them. Or alternatively, if you want to know more about them, there will be affiliated links in the video description so you can check out the details. And also, more importantly, local pricing near you. Now, also in full disclosure, all of these items have been sent to us free of charge for review purposes from Ugreen themselves. And actually, fun fact, I didn't really know they were going to turn up. It was discussed and we kind of left it at that. Then all of a sudden, they just turned up. And I said, I don't really recall remembering actually I was going to do this, but they said, look, you're going to be pretty excited when you see this stuff. Most of our reviewers love this stuff and it's great for reviews, etc. Take a look, see what you think. And I went through the box, had a look at some of the products, and I got to be honest with you, I'm coming around to their way of thinking. This is some pretty cool stuff, some really interesting technology, and ultimately it's going to be charging your devices faster, which is something which a lot of us do rely on. So without further ado, let's get on with the first product. So the first one we're going to start with is the Ugreen 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger featuring Qi2 technology. This one is certified Qi2 for up to 15 watts charging. So essentially Qi2 is kind of like the new version or the open source version of MagSafe. So basically it is MagSafe, but without paying the price premiums, which obviously Apple do charge quite a significant premium. This will do up to 15 watts for the actual Qi2 charger. Plus there's additional 5 watts for accessories and also for AirPods. So if that is something you're interested in, this is pretty cool. Now, I'll show you the device. It's pretty tiny and actually collapses down, so slightly portable. You could stick it in your pocket or it doesn't take up a lot of room in your luggage. For me personally, this is going to end up probably next to me on my bedside table for charging my phone at night, and also it has the ability so you can actually put your phone into portrait mode or landscape. So if you're maybe looking out for eBay notifications or you're watching something before you go to sleep, whatever you want to do, or maybe you're just using the clock feature on your Apple iPhone, then this is pretty good. And again, because it's magnetic, works with MagSafe, and if you've got a device which isn't MagSafe compatible or doesn't have that magnetic ring, you can buy relatively inexpensive phone covers or cases which will give you that feature should you need it. Of course, if you want to, you can just use this with a standard Qi device in the normal orientation, so just basically plonk something on top of it and it will start charging. Obviously, if you're using the magnetic side of it, you've got a few more options in terms of placing it on and putting it into different orientations. So depending on what you want to do, yeah, next to your bed or whatever, absolutely great. And also the magnetic force is pretty strong. Used to be these devices were a little bit on the flimsy side, and you can give it a reasonably good shake and it isn't going to go anywhere. So yeah, that is pretty cool. As I said, it collapses down into a nice compact form factor. Also, you've got a rubberized grip on the bottom, so if you put it onto a relatively shiny surface, it doesn't really want to move around a lot, so that's pretty cool. You've also got a Ugreen logo on the front with a power LED, tells you the status of the charger. On the back, you've got your power input, so that is your power input for charging devices. And also conveniently on the side, there's an additional USB Type-C for charging other devices. That one is going to be charging at 5 watts. The top charger, 15 watts maximum on the Qi2. And if you flip it open, there's also a nice little receptacle there. So if you've got Apple AirPods, then you can put your AirPods on there as well, and they will charge also at 5 watts. So yeah, that's a pretty cool device. I like that a lot. And it also comes included with a USB Type-C to Type-C cable included in the package. So yeah, I think this is a pretty cool piece of kit. Again, sort of thing you want to put by the side of your bed possibly, or maybe even on your desk, and it comes in at a pretty affordable price considering this is new modern technology using Qi2. This one at the moment here in the UK retails for about $29.99, but as always, do check the links, and also there may be promo prices included as well. Next up, we're going to take a look at the slightly upgraded version. So this is the Ugreen Magflow 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger, again featuring Qi2 technology, but this time up to 25 watts, so slightly more fast charging available if your device will support it. It's basically the same design, but just an upgraded version with that faster charging. So looking at this device, again, more of the same, slightly different look, nice kind of analyzed or aluminium type effect. It is a little bit more bulky, I guess, due to the technology inside it. You've got the same sort of thing, so it is collapsible. You've got this nice arm there, which is also adjustable, and it collapses down. You've got the same LED on the front for giving you charging status. On the back, you've got your power input. So that'll take up to 35 watts power input. So you've got your 25 watts on the top for your Qi charger, Qi2 I should say. Again, MagSafe compatible, and also with the latest phones having it, Android's having it now as well. It's pretty handy. You've also again got the option to charge up your AirPods, 5-watt charging on there. Again, as with the previous device, you've also got an output on the side, so you can plug in USB Type-C, plug in USB Type-C or whatever device you want. That will also output up to 5 watts. And on the back, you've got your power input. Again, you've got rubber feet on the bottom there, so on a surface, nice and grippy. And again, of course, because of it being magnetic, you can just put your device on there, plonk it on, and it's absolutely great for charging. Or if you want to put it in the upright mode, if you're doing something, maybe you want to use your phone as your calculator by the side of your desk. I don't know, whatever it is people do with phones these days. But yeah, it's a pretty nice device. You can angle it as well. So again, if you're in bed, you want to angle it down a little bit because your bedside table is a little bit higher than your bed maybe, you can angle it down slightly as well. Obviously, if you do that, it's going to impede access to the AirPod charging side of things. But overall, again, I think this is a fantastic device. Little bit more expensive. You're looking at about another £15 on top for this one. So retail price for this around about £45 on amazon.co.uk at the time of recording, which is the 4th of September 2025. Again, all these devices come with a USB cable of some sort. So this comes with a USB Type-C to Type-C cable for plugging in the side or connecting up to the wall socket, whatever you want to do. But again, nice little device. Not too sure which one I'm going to have by the side of my bed. I'll probably go with the 25 watt just to get the faster charging. But yeah, pretty good option. Again, relatively inexpensive at £45. Next up, we've got another similar type of device, but this one is actually a 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. This one has also got the made for Apple Watch logo on it, Qi2, with up to 15 watts capacity, magnetic attachments, foldable and portable, and supports fast charging. This one I think actually is very cool. This is part of their Nexode range, and it comes again with a USB Type-C to Type-C cable that is included. But something you actually get in this one as well, which I think is pretty cool, is you actually get a Nexode charger as well. So this goes into your wall socket. And actually, I really like the way they've done this, making it a bit more pocketable. The prongs on the plug just fold up to plug it into your wall socket. I really do like that. That impresses me a lot. It doesn't take a lot these days, but yeah, this is that is pretty cool. So USB Type-C on there. This is up to 30 watts. So then you can use that to power this device. Again, this is pretty portable as well. And if you want, you can use it just as it is there. Just plonk your phone on top. Qi backwards compatible, also Qi2, MagSafe, etc. But I think this one actually looks very cool indeed. So on the back, you have got the USB Type-C input. There is a power LED on the other side. And also this is hinged as well. So it hinges upwards. So if you want to have it by your bedside, again, you can do. Locks into place, do all your charging, that kind of stuff. But where this one actually differs slightly is you also have on the back, you have the option for charging up your AirPods on this little section here. But very cool indeed is this pop-up section. So this is if you are an Apple Watch user, you can use that to charge your device. Now, it's probably easier to see from that side. So with your Apple Watch, just plonk it on the base and it will charge like that. So if you like to keep your watch flat at night, that's not a problem. Or if you want to have it slightly raised, you can do. And again, just fits in the same place and you can charge your watch there. So yeah, excellent stuff, and it does fit on either way, whichever way you want to do it. Absolutely great. And again, put your AirPods in there. So all of your devices on your Apple ecosystem or potentially on your Android ecosystem, if you're Android phone and using a different watch, as long as it supports the Qi charging, you should be absolutely fine. So yeah, that is great. I like this a lot actually. You can adjust it as well height wise. Obviously, if you do that, it's going to impede access to the AirPod section and also the charging for the watch. But yeah, I think this is actually very cool indeed. I like this a lot. This is coming in at the moment roughly for $56.99. Again, at the time of recording, potentially there'll be some offers and discounts, but yeah, for £56, I think this actually offers a lot, and it's got a very, very solid construction. So let's grab a cable from my wall socket. We'll plug this into the USB on the back. We'll put on our phone, and we'll put on our Apple Watch, and everything is charging up nicely. We've got the logo on there, and also we've got the charging on there, which hopefully you can see as well. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I like this one as well. At the moment, I don't tend to use my Apple Watch. I'm kind of swapped out from that ecosystem for a little while, but potentially if I do go back to it, this would most definitely be on my bedside table or possibly on my office desk. I think this is a very cool piece of kit. And again, it's pretty portable, compact, so if you want to just stick it in your backpack or in your pocket, you can do for traveling purposes. And next up, we've got something for the people that use automobiles, or cars as they're otherwise known. So this is the Ugreen Magnetic Wireless Car Charger. Again, this will support up to 15 watts fast charging for iOS devices using Qi2, and also it's going to be compatible with Android devices as well. Magnetic hold, adjustable angles, and safe charging, which these days is very important. So this one, as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward thing. This is actually a vent mount. And actually it's got a really, really nice ratchet. You can just hear the quality in that. And actually what normally happens with these, if you get any of the kind of vent mount things, this bit of plastic here generally is really poor quality. Ugreen have done a really good thing, and they've actually put metal in there as well. So metal supports, so it can really grip onto the vents, which is pretty cool. And also you've got the adjustment on the end here, so you can loosen up the angle. You have got adjustability there when it comes to angles, so if it's on your air vent and you want to angle it up or down, you can do, and then you can just tighten up the screw on the back, and then it's locked into place, which is cool. And of course, obviously it is MagSafe Qi2 compatible, so you just put your device on there and you're off to the races. The actual input on the bottom is USB Type-C. With this, you're probably going to want a decent USB Type-C adapter in your vehicle. Again, Ugreen do those, we've reviewed those previously. It does come again with the USB Type-C to Type-C cable. That is included, but you will need to provide some sort of output from your vehicle. And again, overall, very cool. Magnetic mount, if you want to take messages or whatever, you can just rotate it. Or if you're following sat navigations, or well, someone's watching a video in the car, then you can put it into the landscape mode. It's pretty easy to do. But yeah, nice strong magnet on there, so you can shake it around, doesn't want to come off, so it should handle knocks and bangs very good. I should say as well, all of these Qi2 devices all have upgraded magnets in them. That is part of the Qi2 design, with the new magnets in a circle rather than being just like a magnetic base. So yeah, this again, pretty cool. Nice little stocking stuffer for someone who's got a car. Potentially you might like to get this for Christmas. At the moment, retailing at $18.99. Yep, under £20 for a Qi2 car charger. I think that is pretty impressive. Again, nice bit of kit. If I was someone who did a little bit more driving, then this would be great. I think I might stick it in the car anyway, just for those times we do make little ad hoc journeys. But certainly again, Christmas presents coming up, not a bad idea. And last but not least, we have another Qi2 charger. But this one actually is a power bank as well. This is a very cool piece of kit. This is actually one of the ones which I took out of the box and I thought, that's such a smart idea. Why has nobody thought about that before? Maybe they have, I just haven't seen it, but I think this is great. So this also will do up to 25 watts Qi2 charging, so the higher rate. Also built in a 10,000 milliamp hour polymer lithium ion battery. Also supports trickle charging as well, which is actually quite a unique thing. Don't think I've seen any of these devices actually having a trickle charge facility. So essentially what you can do is the power button, which is on the end here, press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds and it'll go into trickle charge mode. So if you've got a device that maybe just wants to be charged for a few hours and then you want to just go to sleep or whatever and just forget about it, you can do. So put it onto trickle charge mode, it'll go for 3.5 hours, and then it will just cut off. Obviously, if it gets to its fully charged state before then, it will shut itself anyway. All of the Qi2 devices have all the appropriate protections on there: short circuit protection, over voltage, over current, etc, etc. All the protections are built in, as you'd expect with a Ugreen product. Is pretty cool stuff. But actually, one of the things I like about this is the fact that it also supports 30 watt wired two-way charging and also discharging, or charging and recharging, whichever way you want to look at it. But how it does it is actually very cool. So there is actually this handy strap on the side. which actually isn't just a strap, it's also a USB Type-C cable. So you can just take your USB Type-C, plug it into your device, and you're off to the races. It starts charging. It automatically turns itself on as soon as it detects a source which needs charging. And when you unplug it, after a few seconds, it will turn itself off. There's a little LED display on the side so you can see what mode it's actually in. But I think this is really cool. It's almost impossible to not have the right connection for your charging devices, which I think is very cool indeed. Now, if that isn't enough, there is also an additional USB Type-C connection on the top. So you can plug in another cable. Again, as with all the devices, comes with a USB Type-C to Type-C cable included in the package. But yeah, this is very cool indeed. And of course, obviously, the whole point of this, all of the devices are Qi2 compatible. So this is the higher rate, the 25 watt. So again, just boom, put it onto your device and you're off to the races. And there you go, it's turned on and it's charging. Happy days. And you've got a little LED on the side, tells you how much battery power is remaining. And also there's an LED on there to tell you that it's wirelessly charging. So again, that's pretty cool. I do like this actually. It's a really nice design, very, very pocketable and very handy indeed with that built-in strap. I do like that. Again, if you want to just turn it on, press the power button and it'll illuminate, telling you how much charge is left in the unit. And of course, as with anything with Qi2, just boom, put it on there and it will start charging, do its usual stuff. And that is magnetic as well. So potentially you could actually use it as a stand. So if you rotated it around, you can actually use it as a backpack. So you can basically carry it around with your phone. So if you're low on charge and you're trying to do something, maybe doing some filming or something, you can use it, carry on using your phone. But also it does double up as a bit of a stand as well. So only in portrait mode. If you try and do it in landscape, it's basically going to fall over. So yeah, don't do that. But in portrait mode, you can have it on your desk, charging your phone, do whatever you want to do. I think this is also a very cool piece of kit. Unfortunately, you do pay a little bit more for this type of thing. So you're looking at around about £65 at the time of recording. Again, potentially there'll be discounts and Christmas sales, Black Friday, etc., etc. Those are all coming up very shortly. So again, if you're looking for some Christmas gift ideas for the tech lover in your family, or maybe even just for yourself, I think these are all definitely worth a look. So there you go, there are the 5 products we've had in from Ugreen, all using the Qi2 standard, which basically is the open source version of MagSafe. I really like this, and actually getting a little bit faster charging speeds out of your devices is going to be very handy, especially if you're one of those people that is kind of on the go, or you just need to get something done quickly and you haven't got all day to stand around waiting for your phone to charge. Maybe you want to take this out with you on your travels, maybe you're going camping or something, you just need to juice up your battery a little bit to take some snaps to post on your socials. Or maybe you're just someone who likes to have your devices ready for you after you've had a sleep. So having the bedside one with your AirPods and your Apple Watch and your phone all charged, ready to go in the morning. I think this is very cool. And again, most of them being relatively portable, you can stick them in your bag, stick them in your coat pocket, whatever, take it to work with you if you need to and show it off to all your friends. Potentially that might be something you're going to do. But hopefully in this video, there is going to be something which is of interest to some of you. Maybe not all of the products, maybe just 1 or 2, or just maybe some stocking stuffers or Christmas gift ideas for tech lovers, or maybe even for yourself. Just treat yourself to a new device. Anyway, I've waffled on for way too long. If you want any more information on any of the products, do check out the listings in the video description. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.